Hello everyone, my name is Dan Fenters with Powell Banker and Fenters Group. So I must admit this is my first time doing a video like this, so please bear with me, I'm way out of my comfort zone. Please check out my brand new listing at 7687 Highwind Drive in Gulf Village. This home is an MI Homes Watkins 5-level split floor plan with all 5 levels finished. There's nearly 4,900 square feet of living space, including the professional finished basement. There are 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 1 half bath. The current owners have invested in some really nice improvements, including remodeling the owner's bedroom, exterior paint, brand new kitchen appliances, Hunter Douglas wood blinds, updating mechanicals, and a new roof. The lot and location of this home are really ideal for the neighborhood. The backyard has an expansive patio, perfect for entertaining. I've been entertained on this patio a few times, and I'm sure I was entertained a few times as well. The lot also includes a heavily wooded back portion of the lot. And for your information, the 11 tee box to the home, there's a secret path in case you need that emergency beverage while you're playing the Kinsale Golf Course. Location properties in Olentangy Liberty School District, a few minutes walk to Kinsale and Fitness. And here we are in the finished basement. I just love this area of the home. I spent numerous evenings in this finished basement participating in fancy drafts, watching a big game, or just hanging out with my friends. The basement is fantastic and truly like having a pub in your own home. I'm going to wrap things up now. Thank you everyone for watching this, and hopefully I didn't butcher this thing too much. Please give me a call at 614-581-5464 if you have any questions about this property. And lastly, cheers everyone.